The iMedia Remote Control can be used to control your favorite video, audio, presentations, and custom apps from up to 30 feet away from your iPad, iPhone, Android device, Mac, or PC. For video and music, the iMedia Remote provides play, volume up, volume down, next track, previous track, and pause. You can even invoke SIRI. Now, we'll demonstrate how some of these functions are used. What is your prime directive?
I'm not allowed to divulge that information.
The iMedia Remote is available at serialio.com. For more information on custom iMedia Remote features, please contact serialio.com. Thanks for watching.